In this video, I want to demonstrate how to create a simple section view of my part as shown here. So first I'm going to Control Tab back to my other part. Then I'm going to move over to the planes. I'm going to look at them. And in this case, I want to use the front plane to create a section view. So I'm going to select the front plane. I'm going to move over here to the View Heads Up toolbar and select Section View. And I want to just demonstrate how to create a basic section view, so I won't get into all the options here. There are a great deal of them. The first thing I want to point out is if I'm happy with the section view, I can just say OK. Next, if I want this to be a section view I can drag and drop into my drawings, this will be the letters of it. So AA would be the section view. And I'm going to scroll down. If I don't want it to be from the front plane as shown here, I can change my plane with this or this, and I can choose one of the three basic planes here. I can set up an offset distance here or an angle, or I can come into the graphics area and I can change the location of the section view by dragging this, and I can also change the angles by dragging these around or by setting them up here. I'm just going to set it back to the front plane. I could add more sections, and I can section by bodies. I can get a very detailed and complex section view using all of these settings, but I want to keep it basic. And the next thing I want to do is I want to save this view, so it's a view I can drag and drop into a drawing. So I'm going to tell it to save it. And over here it's going to say what do you want to save it as, and here it's section view. I'm just going to add the word front plane section view. And if I turn on this checkbox, it will change the name back to what I had set over here. So I'm going to leave it at this section view AA, save it, and then when I don't want to see the section view, I just click here and shut it off. And if I want to quickly go back to that section view, I can just turn it on again. I can shut the section view off. And now that I've named it section view AA, if I push my space bar, it's also one of the view selections I can choose from here. So I'll choose the section view. Again, if I turn it off and I come over to the view orientation, once again I can select the section view from here because I've named that section view. Creating this section through will allow me to visually come in and have a look at the part and see if it's maybe too thin walled or there's issues that I can't see when I'm looking at just the solid body. In the next video we'll look at how we analyze this wall thickness and see if it's acceptable or not.